Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting workouts on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's home button to open the app menu. Then tap on the app with the running icon. Choose the workout that you would like to record and then tap Go. If you tap on the settings cog, you can set workout targets, interval reminders, and enable or disable auto pause. When you have started your workout, you can swipe from right to left to view the music screen, and scroll down to see more workout stats. To pause the workout, tap the home button. From here, you can resume the workout again by tapping the play button, or stop the workout by tapping the stop button on the left. Tap the tick to confirm ending the workout. You can scroll down to see info about your workout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.